a silly start of a video. But as you can see, in the edit, I decided to keep it anyway. Yes, this is the first Saturday of 2025. Good morning from a very chilly, windy, cold, grayish, the Netherlands. It is almost 10 o'clock at this spot of the world, so I would say coffee time. Yeah, and as you can see, I have my coffee already prepared, and I still have a full package of punch roller from Sweden. I still have a box of Trastammer cookies from Denmark. And since I am in the Netherlands, here are the world famous mergpijp cookies. And I will hold it in place because almost every video I get a comment asking for the cookie that I am enjoying. So, how about this? Pause this video, grab something to drink and to eat, and let's enjoy this joyful moment together. Cheers to 2025, and I wish you and your loved ones all the best in the world. The last couple of days I had to set priorities. So I will not share footage of my Sweden trip in this video, but since it is the first Saturday of 2025, I always publish my videos on Saturday, I thought just this hello and welcome in 2025 video I wanted to publish today. It is summer 2023 that in one of my videos when I am in, I thought that was Ramsgate, I tell you that I have a dream and I want to live on a spot where the sun always shines. And yes, you can do it like my friend Edwin. He has a spot in Greece and he sometimes goes to Greece and he enjoys the sun and then comes back to the Netherlands. Or you can go as Edward does, and he stays in the Netherlands for 6 months and then goes to the Canary Islands for 6 months. But I'm not so much of a traveler. That sounds funny because you have seen many videos of me traveling and exploring new horizons, but there's always one thing that I show, and that is the fact that I travel with Lady Liselot. Lady Liselot is my safe haven, and I am not that much of a traveler with just a suitcase and I'm not heading for one spot or another spot. It feels safe for me, although you have seen many videos where we go up and down and she does a breakdance, but it feels safe for me to travel on board of my boat. This is my safe haven. It has something to do with a thing in my head, and I will not explain more about it. So, summer of 2023, I said I want to live on a spot where the sun always shines, and that is because I know for sure from experience that it helps a lot when I see a lot of sunshine. And man, the last couple of months it was terrible in the Netherlands again. So the plans are made that I will leave the Netherlands and head for the Mediterranean, the Med, in spring of 2025. I have to fix some things for my business, but the moment that I have arranged that, I am ready to go. And perhaps you know from previous videos that I have thought about going down the Danube. If this is the Netherlands, then it is Germany, and it is the Danube goes zip, all the way to the Black Sea. But because of things going on in the east, I have decided that I will go via sea. Yes, still without stabilizers, so that that will give some footage. Yeah, I think that I will call my supplier for the seasickness pills and have an extra load of those aboard the boat. Yeah, for sure. Well, this video is only talking. We will see what it brings us, at least the next couple of perhaps 10 to 15 weeks. And I will share footage of my Sweden trip. And then it is almost time to leave the Netherlands and head for the Mediterranean. Most of the time when you see sailors, people with a sailboat, then they go out on the North Sea and almost in one run, because they sail, they go to Portugal or they go to Spain, etc., etc. But since I am solo, I am on my own, I have to do it with day trips, and perhaps the longest trip will be 18 hours or something like that. So I will hop from one spot to another, from Belgium to many spots in France, and then to Portugal, and then to, even Spain, and then to Portugal, and then Spain again, etc., etc. But I have no idea how long that journey will take, but I will take it as a journey. So it's not rushing in a couple of weeks heading for the Met. I will create a really trip out of it. And yes, since I share videos of one-day trips, I think that I have changed that format a little bit, because just looking at sea and water is not much fun. Well, and I will add some moments that I have to vomit because of my seasickness, but other than that, it is no fun to watch it. Yes, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and how about this? Do I see you in the next video? All right then, bye-bye. Cheers. Which cookie shall I take first?